beauties, it's June with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for a free tutorial Friday. This one is just going to be a video because I don't have a lot of stuff to show you. So I do have a stamp, and it says it's a great day. I got this from the Rhino Ready, but you can use any stamp. That's what's great about this layout and this card. So I do have the Pretty in Pink. And I've cut that at 4 1/4, and it is by 11, so then it is scored at 5 1/2. So you're going to come out with the perfect size here. So we're just going to burnish that down. And I got the Designer Series paper from Lily Pond, and we're going to make a card using just Designer Series paper and a couple pieces of paper and one stamp. So first things first, I want my inside to be nice and white here, but I also have a piece of Designer Series paper that I'm going to put on here. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to put a line of Stampin' Seal right across the bottom here. And I'm going to take this piece and we're going to put that in the corner just like that. Then I'm going to get my paper snips and we're just going to cut that little piece right off. So again, we're just going to be using Designer Series paper because I did not have the Lily Pond Lane. All I have is a 6x6 of Designer Series paper for that pack from the paper share, and I didn't get any stamps or anything to go with it, but I'm going to show you how you can use Designer Series paper to make a wonderful card. So I'm going to put that in here. This white piece is 1/4 inch smaller than the base, so it's 4 by 5 1/4. And then this piece was just an extra piece. It doesn't matter the length. I think this is maybe 1/2 inch. Yeah, it's about 3/4 inch. And so we're going to go ahead, and now I'm just going to build this up. I'm going to take this Designer Series paper, and I could choose either side, but I really like the lily pads. So I'm going to use the lily pads for this, and we're just going to center that up. And you can see I'm using the sketch for this week, and I will post this on my Beauty and the Stamper Facebook page. And let's go ahead. I cut out this cute little frog. He is 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and then I have another Pretty in Pink square that's a 2 by 2. So I cut him out. And we're just gonna line him up on here. Oh, she's so cute. And then the little lily pad flower was so pretty as well. This is where I got the color that I wanted my base to be. So we're just going to put this on. This is also 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 on another 2 by 2. Now, if you see the actual sketch, it was only 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. I added this base so it would pop out a little more, and that's what I want to tell you about sketches. You can use whatever you'd like. It does not have to be exactly how the sketch says. And then these are kind of off kiltered a little bit, and so we can either pop them up or we can leave them down. I think it would be fun to pop these little guys up. And I'm going to grab some of my dimensionals. I'm going to put the dimensionals on here and then we'll do a little stamping and we'll finish this up. But if you just find a designer series paper that you like, you could do this with almost anything. I know I almost used the Mediterranean, and I almost used, I don't remember the name of it, the grocery cart one, the one with the groceries. I almost used that designer series paper. Hold on, I think it's called To the Market. Yeah, To Market. So, see, we could have used flowers, baskets, all kinds of fun stuff. Just great fun little layout here. So we're just going to arrange these guys, and then we're going to end up having a piece that goes right across here. And so I want for it to say it's a great day, and I'm going to pull in the pretty peacock to use for my sentiment. So, grabbing my reader so I could actually see what I'm stamping. Perfect. And let's see, I'm going to move it down as far as you can see and as far as I can see. And we're going to just stamp that right on here. And it's a great day. So, now all we need to do is put this on here. Of course, we'll put this one just like that. He's so cute. Just like that. And then we'll take this one. Right here. And then we're going to end up taking this and putting it across. But if you look in the sketch, we've got just a little piece like this. I think that's good. I think we cut it a little, I'll cut it a little shorter. There we go. And I want that to be popped up as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put a piece here. Another one here. Of course, I did not put that correctly, because I want it over a little bit more. So I'm going to put this one here and here, and then, yeah, that'll work perfectly. And then I'll glue this part down here. So just remember, when you're doing these kind of dimensionals and whatnot, you need to remember where the other pieces of paper are so that you can glue these. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here, right where that frog part's going to go. And we're going to lay that right down here. I thought maybe I saw a little bit coming out there, a little bit of glue. And there we go. And then this is how the sketch is, and you can add additional dimensionals if you'd like. You could even cut a little tiny piece if you want this to be down even further, but I think with it holding on to the paper, it's going to be just fine. And look at how cute that card is. All right, beauties, if you want to see more, You can always go to BeautyandtheStamper.com. I try and put them out once a week, except for the last week where I was not here. I was on vacation, and I will be putting them on each week. And you can check out the sketches at my Facebook page by the same name, Beauty and the Stamper. And if you do make this card, please feel free to add it to the comments under the sketch. I'd love to see what you come up with. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.